welcome to another episode. And today I am just going to be doing a quick double episode, because simply I have not been recording that much to you guys at all. Oh God. Yeah, sorry about that. Just because like I'm rusty. I am rusty in this game as well. Yeah, that's true. Like, okay. At least I didn't say God. Discover your man, and I think you and it's under throne. In? Wow. Ooh, yeah, done. Well, I'm gonna remove chat for right now. Just ignore the language. If you are offended by the language, I'm sorry. I have no control over other people. And they don't even know I'm recording in the first place. And that's it. Oh, somebody's lagging out. Ooh. That's some difficult. They want to do a shutout, and I'm here to freaking stop it. Ooh, nice. This is. Watch, they rush me. I'm gonna be. Dude, have fun. Okay. I went right to you. It's like, hang on, these people, like, you were so wide open. I wouldn't believe how wide open you were. Okay, they added something. Look at their delay. Yeah, who wouldn't make the mistake? Like, I thought he was cutting upwards, that's why I made that throw. And then, like, I had a perfectly good throw. Like, bro, I'm taking that. I'm blaming WRs. And then on that freaking. Dude, don't freaking. I'm gonna say, don't test me. Like. Just let me cover this dude. I looking at the thing. Well, it doesn't matter that much. Ooh, yay! Return. Well, it doesn't matter because if it's third down, they're gonna have to put it because they're winning. Ooh, got somebody to jump. Just let me redo this one. Let me have a redo of this. You can't juke, Rip. Well, I don't care. I want to care. I can still throw. Dude. Dude, you already had... Oh, God. Dude, don't mess up. You mess up. Oh, are you kidding me? Triple rush? Oh, God. Throw it over here. Okay, Jay. Throw it mid. Throw it here. Throw it here. Throw it here. Boy. Well. I missed my dive. Okay. Can't jump. Cover. I'm gonna cover Buckles because basically he threw that dime. And there's two people over here, so I'm surprised he's not even. He's throwing. Listen, downtime, I don't know. I'm recording, so I'm like add some more might add some more lag without me noticing. Oh, we both missed. Oh, into the locker room. Unlimited time, so it's like I think I can only handle like 2 more quarters or so. I'm just throwing his words back at my mouth. Oh, he's running? Okay, what's the 8 seconds? Oh, he handed it off. Easy. Oh, yeah, okay. Dude, they're gonna score. They're probably gonna score. There you go, the blowout. Like, blowouts, in my opinion, is like if it's 0 points. Oh, I died. Whoops, it is. Oh my god. Matter's about to be attacks on it. Oh, they all attacked on it. Dude, it's 3 of us. And we're about ready to score? Oh, wow. Yeah, Swagger, we're trying to score here. What the frick? That is so stupid! That is so stupid! I've never seen this before. That is hilarious, but then it happens to us. It happened to us. I was like, what the heck? See you just keep. So how? How? I was like, yeah, I was like, how? Like, you can throw. It's like, wait, did we just get? Oh my god, clutch. Oh. Finally, bro. Okay. Okay. First TD. First me. Huh? For luck. You know. This will probably be like a 2-parter because I want to record another video of this. So basically, since we know I'm gonna lose, this is gonna be the end of this video. I just wanted to do the video of where we score. So I hope you guys did enjoy it, and I'm gonna do another parter of this game just because this is short. This is short. Very short, but and 2 I'm closing in on.